Hello. Hello. How you doing, my poor brothers and sisters? There is something that I really need to talk to you about. You know, people, they do not take care of their toenails. Right, Mary? That is, you know, because they got the, what is that called? It actually is called Marianne Call Me Further. Marianne Call Me Further type shit. Right, Mary? Now, that's not Marianne Call Me Further type shit. That's my best friend. She's just a sweetheart. But they got this drug called, because they don't take care of their toenail, so the fungus got a name type shit. Because it has been reported type shit that they had 200 toenails. And then the toenails grew fungus, man. And then everything was jackass and they turned into chickens. Look at my toenails. I take care of my toenails. Look at my toenails. Right, man? Look. I'm an eagle. I'm an eagle. See? Hi! I'm an eagle. Cut.